guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Olabi's your favorite Yoruba tutor. If this is your first time here, first time seeing my face, first time watching my videos, kindly click the subscribe button and get subscribed. Here on this channel you get to learn everything about Yoruba language, its culture, its people, everything that's related to Yoruba. And also you get to watch slaughter videos. Yes, so I'm very sure you never regret subscribing to this channel, so ensure you do that if you are yet to subscribe. And so in this video we'll be learning question words. Yes, question words. When learning a language, questions are very important. You need to ask questions. We ask questions in our daily activities, day-to-day activities, so it's very important for you to learn how to ask questions in Yoruba as you are learning Yoruba language. So let's get started into it. Okay, so the first one is, what is your name? Yeah, how do you say what is your name in Yoruba language? Yes, how do you say it? If you want to ask someone what is their name and their Yoruba, or you need to speak Yoruba, how do you say so? Then you say, Kí ni orúkọ ẹ? Kí ni orúkọ ẹ? Kí ni orúkọ ẹ? That's the casual way. So if the person you want to ask the question is someone you need to respect, yes, in a polite way, because Yoruba acknowledge this respect. They really love respect. So you have to respect those you think you want to respect, that the respect is called for. So in a polite way you say, Kí ni orúkọ yín? Kí ni orúkọ yín? Kí ni orúkọ yín? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Ibo lò ń lọ? Ibo lò ń lọ? Let me slow down. Ibo lò ń lọ? Where are you going? Ibo lò ń lọ? Polite way. Ibo lẹ̀ ń lọ? Ibo lẹ̀ ń lọ? Ibo lẹ̀ ń lọ? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Ta ni ẹ́? Ta ni ẹ́? Maybe you see someone you've never seen before and you feel like, bro, who are you? I don't know you. Who are you? Ta ni ẹ́? Ta ni ẹ́? And if you want to sound polite, you say ta ni yín? Ta ni yín? Ta ni yín? Okay, so maybe someone is laughing and you feel like, why are you laughing? What's funny? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Kí ló dé tó ń rẹ́rìn? Kí ló dé tó ń rẹ́rìn? Rẹ́rìn is means to laugh. So kí ló dé tó ń rẹ́rìn? Kí ló dé tó ń rẹ́rìn? Polite. Kí ló dé tẹ́ ń rẹ́rìn? Kí ló dé tẹ́ ń rẹ́rìn? Okay, if you want to say, how are you? How are you? Oh, hi. It's been a long time. How are you? Báwo ni? That's very common Yoruba language. Báwo ni? Ṣé wàá pa? Báwo ni? Báwo ni? Báwo ni? Báwo ni? If you want to say it that in a polite way, just add either ma or sa, the suffix ma or sa. So báwo ni ma? Báwo ni sa? Báwo ni? Ṣé dáadáa ni? Hope you are good. Hope all is well. Ṣé dáadáa ni? Okay, so the next one is, why are you running? This is a very common, how should I say, meme? Yeah, meme that you say, why are you running? Why are you running? Do you know that? Do you know that? I bet you find this very well. So why are you running Yoruba means, kí ló dé tó ń sáré? Kí ló dé tó ń sáré? Kí ló dé tó ń sáré? In a polite way, kí ló dé tẹ́ ń sáré? Kí ló dé tẹ́ ń sáré? Kí ló dé tẹ́ ń sáré? Okay, so if you are still here by now, that means you are learning, and I'm glad you are learning. So do not go away without subscribing. If you are yet to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And so if you are willing to learn Yoruba language more deeper, you want a one-on-one tutoring, I'm available for that. You can just send a mail to my mail. It's my bio and it's currently displaying on the screen right now. Send a mail there and we'll work it out. We'll help you in your Yoruba language learning journey. Okay, so the next one is, where is your house? Níbo ni ilé ẹ? Níbo ni ilé ẹ? Níbo ni ilé ẹ? Or ilé ẹ̀dà? Ilé ẹ̀dà. Ilé ẹ̀dà. Polite. Níbo ni ilé yín? Níbo ni ilé yín? Ilé yín dà. Ilé yín dà. So you want to say, where do you live? Where do you live? You have that someone you are kind of interested in and you feel like, where do you live? I would like to come and visit. So where do you live? Níbo lò ń gbé? Níbo lò ń gbé? Níbo lò ń gbé? Níbo lò ń gbé? Níbo lẹ̀ ń gbé? Níbo lẹ̀ ń gbé? That's polite. Níbo lẹ̀ ń gbé? And so one more for this video to end, and that one will be, are you coming? Are you coming? Ṣé ò ń bọ̀? Ṣé ò ń bọ̀? Ṣé ò ń bọ̀? Ṣé ẹ̀ ń bọ̀? Ṣé ẹ̀ ń bọ̀? I want to say, are you still coming? I mean, it's late now. Do you think you are still coming? Are you still coming? Ṣé o ti ń bọ̀? Ṣé o ti ń bọ̀? Ṣé o ti ń bọ̀? Ṣé ẹ ti ń bọ̀? Ṣé ẹ ti ń bọ̀? Are you coming? Ṣé ò ń bọ̀? Are you still coming? Ṣé o ti ń bọ̀? Okay, so this will be the very end of this video. I really hope you learn. I really hope this video helps you in your Yoruba language learning journey. And so if it does, kindly leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. By to subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next episode of this very video. Bye bye.